Jones from the MDOC.
Yep, I do have MDOC. Do you need to talk to him or did you already?
I don't believe I do.
All right.
I think we just needed to get fingerprints.
All right, Mr. Jones, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, so you are Jonathan Jones. I do have fingerprints. So fingerprints have been completed. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jonathan Jones. File number 24-21842FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones. This is the date and time set for sentencing. Mr. Jones, did you get a chance to read and review the pre-sentence report with Ms. Underwood?
Yes.
All right, are you satisfied with Ms. Underwood and the advice that she has given you?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Underwood, do you wish to explain or challenge the accuracy or relevancy of any information in the pre-sentence report?
I don't believe we do, Your Honor.
All right, does the pre-sentence report disclose any prior conviction in which there exists any known constitutional defect?
It does not.
All right, the probation department has computed the minimum sentencing guidelines to be 14 to 29 months. There is Cobb's agreement that he would be sentenced to the low end of the guidelines, and the court will of course honor that. Before the court passes sentence, is there anything you want to say on behalf of Mr. Jones?
I believe I should say that we are in concurrence that those are the guidelines, Your Honor. Just that Mr. Jones today is very sorry for his conduct. He just wants to complete his sentence and be successful on parole, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Jones, is there anything you want to say on your own behalf?
No, no, ma'am.
So, Mr. Jones, are you still serving your sentence on your armed robbery from 2010?
Yes, the minimum is complete. I still got the max.
Yeah, well, I mean, 20 years passes in 2030, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 different assault of a prison guards that you haven't even started serving time on, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Is there anything else you want to say, Mr. Jones?
No, no, ma'am.
All right. In determining the appropriate sentence in this case, the court has considered the seriousness of the offense, your history, the principle of proportionality, the statutory penalty, the cost of confinement, the sentencing guidelines, the report and recommendation of the probation department, as well as what has been said upon the record at this hearing. The criteria and reasons for the sentence are the nature and gravity of the offenses, the discipline appropriate to its commission, deterrence against repetition by you and by others, the potential for reformation, vindication of the law, and the protection of society. It is the sentence of the court that you will serve 14 months to 60 months with the Michigan Department of Corrections. Because you're already in prison, I can't give you any credit for time served, as we talked about before. So it will run consecutive to your 2016 offense, your 13, your 10, and then the current sentence you're serving now. There is a $130 crime victim rights fee and $68 in state costs. Mr. Jones, you're never going to get out if you keep committing these assault of a prison guard offenses, because they just keep stacking. Are you getting any treatment and counseling in there?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, it's just a cycle. You're never going to go home. All right. Now, Mr. Jones, we are going to send to your notice of right to appellate review. When you get them, they're going to have you initial and date 1 copy for my records, and they will send that back to us to be a part of the file. The other copies are for you. If you wish to appeal your sentence, you would fill out the information on the form and mail it to the address listed on the form within 42 days. All right, Mr. Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you, Mr. Jones.
You're welcome.